Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to install Facebook on older iPhone. So if you're trying to install Facebook in iPhone like 5s or 6 or 5 and you're getting this error, this application require iOS 13 or later, you must update to iOS 13 in order to download and use this application. So let me show you without updating your iPhone how you can install this app. So before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So in order to install Facebook or any application that is not supported on that iPhone, you have to go into the latest iPhone. You can borrow from friend. So in my case, I'm using this friend's iPhone. So it's a latest iPhone, like it's supported iOS 16. And go into the App Store. On the App Store, you have to sign in the same Apple ID that is logged on in this iPhone, the older iPhone. So once we have logged in with the same Apple ID, then search for Facebook. And then click on download. And if it's asked for your Apple ID password, please enter the password and install this application on the newer iPhone. So once this application is installed on this iPhone, then go back to your older iPhone App Store and click on user icon, click on purchase section and search for Facebook. And now this time you will get the Facebook. And if it's not showing, then you have to sign out the Apple ID and sign in again and click on download icon. And this time this app will start downloading on your older iPhone. So if it's asked for your password, please enter the password. So here we go. Now as you can see, the Facebook is downloading on the older iPhone. So with this method you can install any app that is not supported with the older iPhone. So if this video helps you, if it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.